this video I will show you what is rest button used for in your BMW. The rest button will blow warm air into the cabin after the car has risen to normal operating temperatures. And it can only be activated when the ignition is in position 1 or off. You can turn the engine off and keep your car interior warm for several minutes, or until you turn the engine on. I will leave the car now and come back in 20 minutes to check if the hot air is still blowing in. This rest option is very useful at winter times, especially when it's cold outside.